Hi, my name is Dr. Charles Getz. I am the Chief of Shoulder and Elbow Surgery at Rothman Orthopaedics, a member of Rothman Orthopaedics for the last 17 years. Rothman Orthopaedics and shoulder surgery and elbow surgery are the experts nationally and internationally for any pathology you have. You're going to get the latest treatment that's out there. We have a fellowship and we train the next generation of shoulder surgeons. And we have an educational conference every Wednesday that all of the shoulder attendings get online or in person meet. Shoulder replacement and non-shoulder replacement treatment for fractures, complex deformity and arthritis, and management of that problem. We've written probably everything there is about that. There's a lot of innovation that continues to go on here in the world of shoulder and elbow surgery. I mean, we're one of the largest centers for Medicare data in the country from a shoulder replacement standpoint. The more that you can do something on a consistent basis starts to drive efficiencies. It makes the operation more reproducible. So when we look for someone to join our team, we typically ask two questions. Do they want to be innovators and push research, innovation to the next level? And do they want to be outstanding clinicians and practice in a tertiary care setting? I think I'd flip those around. I mean, the clinical care is obviously more important, and the innovation is just like a hair less important. Whether or not we're the best in the world, we let somebody else decide that and take care of those two things, and we'll be fine.